Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a mechanical gaming keyboard which stands out from all the other ones for one reason, and that's because it looks super retro. Today we have the Akko 3068. Now, Epplemaker was kind enough to send us out this keyboard to review, but everything that we say in this video will remain our honest opinion, and we are not paid to say anything. Starting off with what you get inside the box. First things first, you get the keyboard itself. You also get a keycap puller, which this one in particular has a dog paw on it. I'm not too sure why, but it's different. You get some extra keycaps with different colors, just in case if you want to switch out the colors of the keyboard. And you get a retro looking USB-C cable, which looks very retro, and I'm very happy to see that. Now moving on to the design of the keyboard. Now this keyboard is a 68 key layout, which is pretty nice if you want a more compact keyboard on your desk. The build quality of it is all made out of plastic, but this thing is built very well. It's built different, some might say, because it has almost no flex to it. Now if we flip the keyboard to the back, that's where we find 4 rubberized feet, which is really useful to make sure that the keyboard doesn't slide around everywhere like a hockey puck when you're typing. Now this keyboard is wired, but you do have the option to take out the USB-C cable, just in case if you want to switch it out to a different type of USB-C cable. And I guess if you want to use it as a display model to just display the keyboard, like we have with the one up there, you can do that as well. This keyboard unfortunately does not have any RGBs, which could be seen as a drawback for some, but it can also be seen as a very good thing for others, because with this keyboard, the main look that it's going for is that retro look, which it brings out perfectly. It looks super retro while overall still being a mechanical gaming keyboard. Now talking about the switches of this keyboard, you do have the option to have red, blue, brown, or black switches. Now the switches that I have on my model in particular are the Cherry MX Reds. Reds myself are one of my favorites, and I really like the typing experience. Here's a quick sound test of what this keyboard sounds like. Now with regards to the keycaps that are included, here they are. You can see that they're different colors, different buttons. You can put them on however you like. Myself in particular, I went with the color scheme that was on the box because it just looks super clean, and that's the one I like the most. But just in case you want to see some other different variations, here's some different ones. This keyboard checks off pretty much everything you would want when you're buying a keyboard. It works perfectly fine, it looks fine, and it feels very durable. And that's something that's pretty important, because when you're buying a keyboard, you want to make sure that it lasts you a long time. And this one, you definitely have that feeling with. Now the one drawback that I could see with this keyboard is the fact that it does not have RGBs. Myself in particular, I do not see that as a drawback. I'm completely fine with no RGBs. It looks super clean, but for some, RGBs may be a necessity, and the fact that it doesn't have that could be a problem. But aside from that, the Akko 3068 is a phenomenal keyboard. With that being said, if you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And if you want to check out some of our other videos, the link to those are in the description below. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.